In today's video, I'm going to be making dibenzalacetone. Dibenzalacetone was used in sunscreen. Unfortunately, they can't use dibenzalacetone in sunscreen anymore due to a bit of its hazards. So in this experiment, all you're going to need is sodium hydroxide, acetone, ethanol, and benzaldehyde. Okay, so first we're going to add 125 milliliters of ethanol. Okay, then to another beaker, I add 75 milliliters of water. I then add 9 grams of sodium hydroxide. Then I add a stir bar and turn on the stirring. And then wait for the sodium hydroxide to dissolve. After it has dissolved, I'll remove the stir bar and then put the beaker to the side. And then I add the sodium hydroxide solution to the ethanol. And then to another beaker, I add 60 milliliters of benzaldehyde. And then I'll shoot in 5 milliliters of acetone. So here's 2 milliliters. And 2 milliliters. That's 4. And then 5. I'll add a little bit extra because this has a bit of water in it. There we go. Okay, so now I'm going to mix the two solutions, and then we'll see what happens. Okay, wait, turn on the stirring, then add the solution. The solution will start to turn yellow. In this reaction, 2 molecules of benzaldehyde react with 1 molecule of acetone to form dibenzalacetone and water. You'll see the color slowly gets yellower and yellower until a precipitate starts to form. And that precipitate is actually our dibenzalacetone. Now after the precipitate appears, you should leave the solution stirring for about 30 minutes. Now I'll let you watch the solution as it forms a precipitate. Amazing. This is basically the cinnamaldehyde clock reaction, but with benzaldehyde rather than using cinnamaldehyde. Now we let the solution stir for 30 minutes. Okay, so it has been half an hour, and now it's time to do a gravity filtration to the solution. So here I have the solution. Let's do some gravity filtration. First of all, I'm just going to pour the orange solution down. And then wait for that to filter through. And then we'll add all the solids. And you also need to remember that you cannot just pour the solution that filtered through down the drain. Okay, so now that I've filtered the dibenzalacetone, I've set it out on a piece of paper to dry. Okay, so in the end, I'm left with 16 grams of dibenzalacetone. So the dibenzalacetone that I made here usually looks pretty pure, which is pure enough. But if you want even purer product, you can do a recrystallization using ethanol, acetone, or ethyl acetate. Thanks for watching this video.